Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today I'm going to be learning how to operate this tractor. Danny's going to walk me through some of the processes and I'm going to see if I can make this thing happen.
Okay, it's just like the other tractors has always been. It's a shuttle shift. You smash the clutch in, the brakes is in the same place. Not a lot of difference. You just turn the key on just like you do the other one. The glow plug right there, you're going to wait for it to go off.
Okay.
And then crank it up. Got to be in neutral. Now, crank it. It's just like, this is a bucket. This is a bucket right here. Lifting it up and down. Reverse is over there just like it always is. When you hear that beeping noise, the emergency brake right down there by you is still locked.
Yes?
No. There's up here.
Yeah.
Mash the button in and let it down.
Okay.
Okay, you're ready to roll. It's just like the other one. Now this is tilt steering. I have it tilted back so it should be okay.
Alright, let's go back.
Yep.
This is the gas.
Yep. Alright, we got to get weeds and put in the bucket for the animals. So we're going to be doing that. Wanda wanted to be able to see if she could even just move the tractor. It will keep beeping and mash the brake and pull that up.
Okay.
That's a safety issue on it. This one has tons of safety issues.
And a giant platform, good handle to hang on to. You can get up and down from either side.
Either side.
This is my first time driving it, but just backing it up, it's so much different.
Yeah, we're going to let her drive it in a minute.
So
she'll be fine.
Again in a minute, show you guys. I got to collect weeds. Show them the weeds. Out of the back to Eden garden, guys.
This is out of the back to Eden garden here.
And they're going to the animal.
Yeah, they're going to the animal.
This came out of a garden that's not supposed to have weeds.
It's not supposed to be it's supposed to be a weed-free garden, and this is just this is only a small section of the back to Eden garden in March. You can only imagine what summertime's going to be like.
I cleaned this garden a month ago. I took all the weeds out 1 month ago, and this came up within a month, and that's half of it.
This is it, boy. This is a big bucket too, and you got a quarter of the bucket full.
This bucket is huge. I love it. I'm loving it. All right, let me drive again. I'm taking these to the animals.
Yeah, she's going to take these to the animals.
Okay. Stop.
Neutral?
Neutral.
You don't have to wait. All right. As long as it's beeping, that emergency brake is still pulled. Yeah, it's got armrests.
And the deal is, the bucket is so much easier to operate.
It is, isn't it?
I mean, easy.
It is very easy to operate.
All right, ladies. How about it?
Oh, the chickens are going to love that.
Turkeys need some?
No,
they're okay?
Well, they might eat a little bit of it because they're not real. They'll eat if you let them out, but don't give them a whole lot because they'll just waste a lot of it. Just give them a handful. And the turkeys are laying eggs, so they're getting ready to hopefully have little ones.
Come on, lady.
The old hens, now they'll go for it, that's for sure. That old hen, son, she'll go right to work on it. Cause she knows she's a nesting mama. She needs her green stuff.
Alright, the stuff that the rabbits will eat.
We have this door built here on the side of the chicken pen, guys, where we can just throw stuff in. We don't have to actually go into the chicken pen.
We'll feed this to them, and then a little bit to the rabbits. And I'll pull some more stuff for the rabbits. And my girls will love it. Thank you for crazy days.